Okay, check. I think it's recording this time. Hey guys, Paulo here. It's been a while and I want to give you guys a very quick update on what's going on with the channel. So far, it's been a very busy past couple of months. In fact, I've actually booked this awesome warehouse space to put a studio into and focus a lot of my attention back to the channel. So you're gonna start seeing really cool stuff in gaming, laptops, stuff from Asus, stuff from Samsung, and all the other brands I'm gonna be partnering up for the channel. This space here that I've allocated is for the channel and for my secondary channel that I want to show you guys, which is called Spot On Billiards. This is actually the business that I work in, and we focus on high-end cues, pool tables, and accessories for the professional pool player. Check out the other channel at Spot On Billiards, link down in the description below. I'd love to see you there. But going back to the channel, again, this whole space here is allocated towards my channel and towards the Spot On channel. So I thought, why not make this space a very good hotspot to review all this amazing tech that I'm doing for my channel moving forward. That way I can create the themes I want, I have the space that I need, and I can take my time in reviewing these products. So I hope you're on board. Just a very quick update on my end. I hope to see you guys in the channel. Hit that subscribe button. My name is Paulo, and I will see you in the next video coming out very soon. Till next time, see ya.